Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have some cheap paper deals over at Walgreens. We're looking at some deals curbside. We're looking at a lot of deals in store, and we're looking to get a lot of paper on the cheap. So just to show you guys something, a couple days back, my husband and I were at Costco, and we were at towards the back of the club, and usually they have the back shelf with all the toilet paper. They had an entire center of the aisle filled to the gills with Charmin and other types of paper, because when it's panic mode, people really stock up on paper. And as extreme couponers, we don't overpay or panic buy paper. We buy it for a deal. Thumbs up if you agree with that, and let's get right into it. I did want to share this with you guys, that fabulous deal to get the Purex for 49 cents. The $1.50 rebate reset for me on Monday morning. So if you want to check your IBOTTA account, yeah, get that cheap Purex. I'm going with free and clear because I don't have a lot of that in my stockpile, so that's what I'm getting. Let's get right into the paper deals. The first one's curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, hitting the box on the left-hand side with a green check, and that is your curbside. This week for $4.50, we have the Walgreens brand paper towel and toilet paper. Throwing 3 of these into a basket, it's $11.25 on a buy one, get one 50% off. To show you guys, WAG 10 taking $1.12 off. And I went with the 3 just to get the smallest out of pocket if you wanted to use $10 in Walgreens cash. Obviously, if you want to double it and go for 6, it's a different deal, but you'd have to use $20 of Walgreens cash. But if you just wanted to get something small going this week, it's $11.25 for the 3, WAG 10 taking $1.12 off, free curbside pickup and tax, $10.74. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay 74 cents and call this a super deal, and you're saving almost $5, so I love that. The next many deals we're looking at are in store because they involve register rewards and paper boosters. If you might be so lucky to have this guy, 5 back when you spend 15. Typically when a lot of us get photo prints, these print out. And it's always a year, mileage may vary, but I'm noticing with my husband's account, they always print. And we're going to be looking for the P&G paper products that include Bounty, Charmin, or Puffs. Anything with this tag on the left-hand side, $4 reward when you purchase 4. So here it is, grabbing 4 of those paper products, it's $21.96. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster. Pay that amount with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, one $4 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per paper product. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using the booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. If you might have a register reward from Colgate or Garnier, that's $7 to throw towards this basket. I absolutely would do that to have a smaller out of pocket. But, if you love the P&G paper products, that's a deal for you. Now, this is probably the deal I'm going to do. I have one of these of 5 back when you spend 15. So I'm going to pick up either 2 of the Angel Soft. These rolls are super, super beefy, and they're $10.99. The original price is $15.99, so $16. Or the Quilted Northern if you're a fancy lady. I know some of you really love Quilted Northern. And the promotion is when you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. We have one chintzy little 50-cent digital coupon for this. I would definitely check rebate apps in case there might be something else to go with that. I know sometimes Checkout 51 might have something to go with that, but maybe take a look. So just the very basic deal, guys. Grabbing 2 of those for $21.98. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster. 50 cent coming off. Pay $21.48 with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash for that booster. $5 register reward, making it $11.48 for the 2 or $5.74 per paper product. And if you might have any register rewards to throw in, manufacturer register rewards to throw in, by all means go for it. Do not use Walgreens cash if you're using a booster for this deal. Final deal that we're looking at is this 2-pack of Brawny for $6.99. And if you look right beside it, there's a little something. We have a little promotion, earn $3 cash back with with the free IBOTTA app. Interesting, right? Plus, we have an extra dollar digital. Your account might have a $2 digital, but I only had $1 on this one account. And make sure your Ibotta rebate, this one, is still there. $3 back on any of the Brawny paper towels. That is absolutely fantastic. So grabbing one of these Brawnies for $6.99, subtracting your digital, you'll pay $5.99. Photograph your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back. Final price is $2.99. Okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But what a deal. If you want to see more curbside magic from yesterday's video, I will link it right here. And that is shopping completely with the app linked right here. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.